Yes, so today we are starting with the question x minus 2 by x minus 3 coming greater than 0. One option is that if this quantity is coming as a positive one, then we should have numerator plus and denominator plus, or maybe numerator minus and denominator should be minus. If both plus, we should have positive case, both negative also come out to be a positive case. So we will be taking two cases in which first I'll say x minus 2 is positive, x minus 3 is positive, one case. Another one is x minus 2 is negative, x minus 3 is also negative, and another case. And then we will be finding the solution. But this will take more time and more chances of mistake. So what we do in this case, we will not use this condition here. It's better you use the number line here to get the answer. When you have x minus 2 by x minus 3 is greater than 0, first check where it can be 0 at 2. Right or no? Where this factor can be 0 at 3. Means one is going to change its value at 2, another is going to change its value at 3. So here in this case,
Sir?
yes.
Yes, sir, the answer is minus infinity to union with 3 to infinity.
Okay. Yes, so here it is x minus 2 by x minus 3 coming greater than 0. Then first we will place them on number line. This is 2 and 3. This will be changing its value at 2 because at 2 it will become 0, and we'll say if more than 2 you take, it will be plus. If it is negative, if less than 2 will be negative. Here it will change its value at 3. If you take more than 3, positive, less than 3, it will be negative. So that's why we will say 2 and 3 are the 2 points. Now what I do here, I take the value less than 2 in this case. When you take less than 2, can be 1 taken? Less than 2 क्या होगा? 1 हो सकता है, 0 हो सकता है, -1 हो सकता है, -2, anything you can take. So any one example you take. For example, I'll take 1. Then I'll get it 1 minus 2, and this will be 1 minus 3. What the numerator comes? Minus. What denominator is? Minus. Minus and minus get cancelled out, so that means it will come out to be plus when you take the value less than 2. Second part, when you have the value between 2 and 3, for example, I take 2.5. If you take 2.5, then it will come 2.5 minus 2, and this will be 2.5 minus 3. Then numerator will be plus, but denominator is minus. So 1 plus 1 minus means this is minus. Then go for 3 above. When you go for 3 above, let it be taken 4. So it will be 4 minus 2 by 4 minus 3. So 2 in the numerator and 1 in the denominator. So it will be plus, it will be plus. So that means net come out to be plus. So whenever this type of question is there, please put the number line and put the sign according to their values. And what you want in the question, it is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means we want a positive number. Positive number means either this part or this part. So what I should do here in this case, it will be minus infinity to 2. Right? Minus infinity to 2. 2 will not be included because not 0 here. Union. 3 to infinity. That will be your answer. X belongs to minus infinity to 2, union 3 to infinity. So this is the best way I told you. Possibility is, otherwise if you take both plus, both minus, there will be a cases you are making and the chances of mistake will be more. Now one more question you try please. X minus 3 by x minus 5 coming less than 0. X minus 3 by x minus 5 is less than 0. This is the question we have. So again on the number line when you go, what are the values here?
Sir,
One will
3
be
to 5.
another will be 5. When you go for less than 3 value, may be taken 2. So it will come 2 minus 3 and 2 minus 5. This is minus minus, so net is plus. When you go between 3 and 5, it will be 4 if I'll take, then 4 minus 3 it's plus, but 4 minus 5 it's minus, so we'll say it is minus. 5 and above. Above it will be 6, if you take both will be plus, so it has come out to be plus. What you want in the answer? Less than 0. Less than 0 means we should say x belongs to 3 to 5 is the answer. Next question please. X minus 2 by x plus 5 is greater than 2. X minus 5 by x minus 2 by x plus 5 greater than 2. But keep in mind here, whenever you start the question, just like the previous question, this 2 should not be there. Here, this side you should have 0. Because that is greater than 0 means positive and negative. But greater than 2, if you take, it can be positive, it can be negative. So 2 should not be there. So better will be 2, you take this side first, solve it. And then whatever expression comes, according to that you go for the question. Come here, cross multiplication. No. Shifting the term.
सर वो माइनस में जाके एलसीएम आएगा.
Yes, we'll take the LCM now. X plus 5 is the LCM. So I got it x minus 2 minus 2x then minus of 10 coming greater than 0. Then it comes out to be minus x minus 12 by x plus 5 comes greater than 0.
Sir, x belongs to minus 12 to minus 5 open interval.
Okay. Now if I take minus common here, because minus should not be this side, so it will come x plus 12 by x plus 5 comes greater than 0. Then our aim is minus should not be common here. So if you want to remove minus here, I make it minus of 1 multiply this side. It will become less. What this result will become then? It will be x plus 12 by x plus 5 comes out to be less than 0. And now we go on number line. What possible points are? Minus 12, minus 5. Now we will take the value less than minus 12. When you go for less than minus 12 means maybe minus 13, minus 14 I'll take. Minus 13 if I'll put it will be minus here. Minus 13 if I'll put it will be also minus here. So net come out to be plus. Between minus 12 and minus 5 can be minus 10 taken. If you put it minus 10, what it will come? This will be plus. Minus 10 plus 5 it is minus. So net is minus. And next one is when you take above minus 5, let it be 0. Then what you will find? Plus in the numerator, plus in the denominator. So it come out to be plus. So what do you want in the answer? Less than 0, negative. So what my answer should be? X belongs to minus 12 to minus 5. Clear? Next question please. Solve 2x plus 4 by x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 5. 2x plus 4 by x minus 1 greater than or equal to 5. Yes, please.
Sir, 1 comma 3 closed interval.
1 comma 3 close
3.
interval. Okay, check
Yes, sir.
here. 2x plus 4 by x minus 1 minus 5 has to be greater than or equal to 0. We will take the LCM as x minus 1. Then it will come 2x plus 4 minus 5x plus of 5 comes greater than or equal to 0. I got it minus 3x plus 9 by x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Minus is there, so I should take common minus 3. So left is x minus 3 by x minus 1 coming greater than or equal to 0. Then I want to remove this minus 3. So I should do minus 3 multiplication. Then this will reverse. When you have this will cancel out or this will become plus. Left is x minus 3 by x minus 1 less than or equal to 0.
Divide.
Which one?
Minus 3 to minus 3 to 9.
Okay, now you're saying this is 9. Okay, write down here. Then 9 to be removed by 9 divide and 1 9 divide. Positive number is not creating any problem, so I got it x minus 3 by x minus 1 coming less than or equal to 0. Now we go for the number line, please. Result is what? Here it is 1 and here it is 3. Less than 1. Less than 1 can be taken 0. It will be minus. It will be minus. So net will be plus. Between 1 and 3 can be taken 2. What it will come? Minus. This will be plus. So it is minus. 3 above. Plus. 4 we can take. 4 and 4. It will be plus here. What you want in the answer? I want this quantity to be negative. Now one more thing, it is equal 0 also here. If you want this is 0, that means only this can be 0. Denominator never come out to be 0. So ये नहीं दोनों तरफ close कर दिया. Close केवल किसके लिए होगा? Numerator के लिए. So what I should say in this case, it will go from 1 to 3. And which can be equal to 0? It can be 0, but it cannot be 0. So I should say on 3 it is closed and on 1 it's open. So be careful about this. Denominator, you can't take it 0. So you don't take that it is a closed interval 1 to 3. No, it will be open 1, but 3 will be closed. Next question, please. X plus 3 by x minus 2 is less than or equal to 2. X plus 3 by x minus 2 is less than or equal to 2. Please try. First take 2 on other side and solve it. X plus 3 by x minus 2 comes out to be less than or equal
Sir,
to.
x belongs to minus infinity to 2, open interval from both sides, then 7 to infinity, and close at 7.
He's giving this answer. Let us check it is right or no. X minus 2 is the LCM. X plus 3. This will come what? Minus 2x plus 4 coming less than 0. I got it minus x plus 4 by x minus 2 coming less than or equal to 0. Now this is minus, so I take minus common, then it will come x minus 4.
Sorry, plus 7.
Sorry, 7. So it will come out to be x minus 7 by x minus 2 coming less than or equal to 0. If I remove minus sign, then it will reverse. So x minus 7 by x minus 2 comes greater than or equal to 0. And now I go on number line. One point is 2, another is 7. When you have less than 2, 0 you can put minus and minus, net is plus. Between 2 and 7 can be taken 5. 5 minus 7 minus, but 5 minus 2 will be plus. So one is plus, another is minus. So what it will come out to be? Minus. And third one, above 7 it will be plus, it will be plus. So it is come out to be plus. Now, we want this should be positive. What can be 0? 7 can be 0. 7 can make this 0, but you can't take denominator 0. So you should go, answer is minus infinity. X belongs to minus infinity to 2. Then union. 7 to infinity, 7 will be close. This way you will be having your answer.